Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My goodness. I hope you all are fine and doing well. This is your teacher, Ms. Rida, your maths teacher. Let's start the lecture with the beautiful words. When Allah pushes you to the edge, trust Him fully because only two things can happen. Either He will catch you or He will make you learn how to fly. Now, with these beautiful words, let's start the lecture, chapter number 6. What we have discussed in our previous session, we have discussed square root. For example, the question is find the square root of 25. Now this sign is called the radical sign. Okay, the sign is called the radical sign. So square root of 25 we have to find over here. Now if we consider the factor method, so we know that 5 into 5 is 25, and whenever there is a pair in the square root, remember, then whenever there is a pair of two numbers in a square root, then we are able to write the number outside the root. And why is it so? Because when there is a pair in the root like this, we can say that 5 into 5 means 5 multiplying 2 times, that means 5 square, right? And what is the meaning of this square root? The meaning of root is power half. The meaning of root is power half. So this square and this 1 upon 2, when it is going to be multiplied, then 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, it will be cancelled, and then we get 5. Okay, so in this way we get the answer 5. In this way the square root will be removed. Okay, now here, because 5 into 5 means 5 square, that means 5 is multiplying 2 times. That means 5 square means that is equals to 25. 5 into 5 is 25. So here we can say that 25 is called the square of 5. Okay, 25 is the square of 5 and 5 is the square root of 25. Now here the question is find the square root of 64 by division method. Now I told you that we have to follow in this chapter the division method. Okay, this is the division method in which we have discussed that first of all we have to make the pair. Okay, here two numbers are there, Sumaya, so we have to make the pair from right to left. Okay, step number 1 is start making the pair from right to left. So there is only one pair is there, so we have to find out the number which when multiplied by itself to get 64 or either less than 64. So here when we multiply 2 with 2 we get 4, and in this way we get 8 into 8 is equals to 64. Okay, so when we multiply 8 with 8, 8 into 8 are we get 64. Okay, so 8 8s are 64 and 64 minus 64 it will be cancelled, and on the left hand side the same number is going to be added over here. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Clear? So the square root of 64 is equals to 8. In the end, we have to mention the answer that the square root of 64 is 8 only. Please don't mention the square root on 8. Okay? Clear everybody? The square root of 64 is 8. Now, here is an example of when two numbers are there. Okay? Now here, example with the three numbers, here we have to find the square root of 225. So here 1, 2, 3, three numbers are there. So how can we find the square root of 225 by division method? First of all, just mention the number. Now start making the pair from right to left. When we start making the pair, we get the pair of 25 and 2 will be left. So we have to make the cap on 2. What we have to do? We have to make a cap on 2. Now what is the meaning of this cap? At first we have to find the number which when multiplied by itself to get either 2 or less than 2. So we know that 1 into 1 is 1. We cannot take 2 into 2 because 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. So 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 25 is a pair, so we have to copy the whole pair as it is. We are not allowed to copy only 2 here. As it is a pair, so we have to copy the whole pair at once. Okay. Now on the left hand side, what we have to do with it, we have to add the number which is multiplied. Okay. Okay, Aisha, what we have to do, Ahad? We have to multiply. We have the number which is multiplied here is going to be added on the left hand side. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, this step is very important. We have to find the number here which when multiplied with such a number to get 125. That means 25 into 5s are 125. Okay. Here you can see that on the ones place there is 5. So there is no need to take 21 ones are 22 twos are, because we know that 5 into 5s are 25. Okay, we have to check the ones place. If on the ones place there is 5, that means we have to take the number 5 here. Okay, for example, if here the number is 4, that means we have to take either 2 twos are 4, okay, or 8 8s are 64. We have to check the ones place. So here 25 5s are 125. Okay. So 125 minus 125 will be cancel out, and on the left hand side, Ahad, we have to add only 5. Okay. The number which we have taken for the multiplication, the same number is going to be added on the left hand side. So 25 plus 5 is 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 is copied here. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So the square root of 225 is 50. Square root of 225 is 15. Now, here the question is 4,356. We have to find the square root of 4,356. Okay. Now, Halima, there are 4 numbers there. What we have to do? We have to start making the pair from the right to left. Okay. So we get 2 pair. One pair is 56 and one pair is 43. One pair is 43. So Vanya, what we have to do? First we have to find the number which when multiplied by itself to get either 43 or less than 43. Okay. Now we know that 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. Okay, so 49 is greater than 43. So what we have to take? Which number we have to take? Yes, Sumaya, which number we have to take? We have to take 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, because 7 into 7 is 49. So the number will becomes greater. The number will becomes greater than 43. We have to find the number which when multiplied by itself to get either 43 or less than 43. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yes, Abdullah Ashtaq. Are you getting me? So, when we subtract 36 from 43, what we get? 7. Okay, and the pair of 56 will be copied as it is. Okay, so the pair, this is a pair of 56, so we have to copy the whole pair at once. Now students, what about the left hand side? Here on the left hand side, 6 is multiplied with 6, so we have to add 6 here. Okay, on the left hand side, Abdullah, we have to 6 here. 6 plus 6 is we take 12. Now here with the 12, I want such a number which when multiplied by same number to get 756. Okay, 756. So in the rough column, let's check the numbers. When we take 124 into 4, we get 469. Okay. Why we have selected directly 4? Because we know that 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. That means on the ones place I'm getting 6. Okay, and here on the ones place I want 6. So I can take either 4, but we are not getting the answer. So let's take 126 zigzag, because we know that 6 into 6 is also 36. 6 into 6 is 36. That means 6 on the ones place. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. That means 6 on the ones place, and 6 into 6 is 36. 6 on the ones place. So we can either take 4 or either we can take 6. So when we take 6, we get the answer 756. So we can select here the number 6. 126 into 6, 756. Is this step is clear? Halima, this step is clear or not? So when we subtract it, it will be cancelled. And here on the left hand side, please remember that we have to add only 6. Aisha, are you getting me? Abdullah, but here we have to add only 6 because 6 is taken here for the multiplication. So 126 plus 6 is, we get 6 plus 6 is 12, and here 2 plus 1 is 3 and 132. So the square root of 4356 is 66. Clear, everybody? Now the next question is 2916. Again, there are two pairs. So 29 is one pair and 16 is one pair. So in step number 1, what happened in step number 1? What we have to do in the step number 1? Yes. Aisha, what we have to do in the step number 1, Bite? We have to find the number which when multiplied by itself to get either 29 or less than 29. Okay, now let's find out the number. 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, and 6 six are 36. That means we have to take 5 and 2 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, and when we subtract 25 from 29, we get 4. We get 4 here, and 16 is a pair, so we have to copy the pair as it is. Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? Now what about the left hand side? What about the left hand side, Ahad? Ahad, what about the left hand side? We have to add 5 with 5. So we get 5 plus 5 is 10. Now we have to find the number here which when multiplied by the same number to get 416. So what we have to do, Bete? We have to take either 4 or either 6. Here, I want either 4. I can put either 4 or either 6. Why? Because on the ones place you can see that there is 6. Okay, so 104 fours are 416 and 106 are 636. So I can take 104 into 4. Okay, so 104 fours are 416 and it will be cancelled. And what about the left hand side? What about the left hand side? Here we have to add 4. Why? Because 4 is multiplied with here. Okay, so we have to take the number 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 10 will be copied as it is. So the square root of 2916 is 54. Clear, everybody? Both the steps are clear? Yes, Abdullah, both the steps are clear. Ahad, Vania, please say something in the chat box. Everything is clear? Now, the next question is 6,400. Okay, 6,400. Again, bete, we have to make the pairs. So two pairs are there, 64 and 00. So Vanya, we want a number which when multiplied by itself to get 64 or less than 64. So Abdullah, which number we can take? Quickly write in the chat box. Which number we can take? We want 64. So which number is going to be multiplied with the same number, either to get 64 or less than? Absolutely right, Vanya. 8 into 8 is 64. You are absolutely right. So here 64 and 64, when we subtract 64 from 64, it will be cancelled, and then we have to copy the next pair, that is 0 0. And what about the left hand side, Vanya? We have to add here 8. Ahad, everything is clear, bete? So 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, now I want a number which when multiplied by such a number to get 0. This is so simple. Muhammad Ali, it's so simple, bete. Here I want the number which when multiplied by such a number to get 0 0. So the number is 160. Zeros are 0 0. So simple. So it will be cancelled. And what about the left hand side, bete? Here I can add only 0 because the 0 is taken over here as in multiplication. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and we get here 160. So the square root of 6,400 is 80. Clear, everybody? Now, we have to find the square root of common fractions. Okay? Now, here you can see that the question is 49 over 64. We have to find the square root of 49 over 64 by division method. Now, how can we find the square root of this proper fraction by division method, bete? Here, first we have to take the numerator. The numerator is 49. First we can find the numerator's square root, and then we can take the 64, and then we can find the square root of denominator. So 49 is there. 49 is there. 49 is there. So Halima, what we can take? Which number we can take here? Quickly write in the chat box. I want the quick response, everybody. Yes, Ahad, which number we can take? Ali. 7. Absolutely right, Ali. So we get 7 into 7 here. 7 into 7 is 49. Okay, 7 into 7 is 49. Abdullah, how can we take 64? We can take 7 into 7 as 49. So it will be cancelled. And on the left hand side, Ali, we have to add 7 with 7. We get 14. Okay, now let's take the denominator, that is 64. Okay, the denominator is 64. Now here, let's check out the tables here. We get 8 into 8 is 64. So 8 into 8 is 64. So on the left hand side, we can add 8 into 8, we get 16. Okay, so the square root of 64 is 8 and the square root of 49 is 7. But this is not the answer. We have to mention the answer properly like this. The question is 49 over 64. Okay, we have to find the square root. So we have to put the 49 and 64 within the square root. So we get the square root of 49, 7 over 64 square root is 8. So the answer is 7 over 8. Okay, we get the answer of square root of 49 over 64 is 7 over 8. Clear, everybody? You have to mention the answer properly. Now the question is one whole number 25 over 144. Now bete, the question is in the mixed fraction. First of all, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Now here you can see that one whole number 25 over 144. So Ali, look at the question. 144 ones are 144. 144 plus 25 is 169. Okay. Okay, Halima, Sumaya. Clear? Okay, Sumaya. Now, bete, what we have to do, Ahad, first we have to take the numerator. So the numerator is 169. Okay, let's start making the pair from the right to left. We get one pair and one cap. So first we have to solve the cap. Everything is clear? Yes, Ali, Rumesa, Vanya. First we have to take the cap. The number which is written in the cap. So 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, and when we subtract 1 from 1, we have to copy here the pair, that is 69. And what about the left hand side? Here 1 is going to be added with 1, we get 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we want a number which when multiplied by itself to get 69. That means 23 threes are 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. So, and here 27 sevens are 189. We can take either 3 or 7. Why? Because we know that 3 threes are 9 and 7 sevens are 49. Okay, we have to check only the ones place. On the ones place in the question there is 9. So either we can take 3 or we can take 7. Are you getting this, Halima and Sumaya? But either we can take 3 or either we can take 7. So here 23 threes are 69. Okay, Vanya? Now on the left hand side, 3 is only going to be added and we get 26. And 69 minus 69 will be cancelled. And what about the denominator? 144 is here. So there is a cap on 1 and there is a pair of 44. So 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. And on the left hand side, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. Now we have to copy the pair, whole pair at once. Keep remember that we are not allowed to just copy the one number. As it is a pair, we have to copy the whole pair at once. Now we want a number here. We want a number here which when multiplied by such a number to get 44. So 22 into 2s are 44. So we get 22 into 2s are 44. Right? 44, 44 will be cancelled. And here on the left hand side, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 2 will be copied as it is. Clear? Now, this is not the complete answer. This is not the complete solution. Bete, in the last, you have to mention the answer properly. Okay, so the question was 169 over 144. So the square root of 169 is 13 and square root of 144 is 12. But this is again not the answer. Here the answer is in improper fraction. We have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction again. Okay, we have to convert it in improper fraction. This improper fraction into mixed fraction. So how can we convert this in improper? How can we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? Which is here 12 is there and 13 is here. We are not allowed to write the answer in improper fraction. So 12 ones are 12. Okay, 12 ones are 12. And when we subtract it, we get 1. So we get the answer 1 whole number 1 over 12. So if the question is in mixed fraction, answer must be in the mixed fraction. Is it clear? Is it clear? So we get the answer 1 whole number 1 over 12. The answer is, I am repeating it, the answer is 1 whole number 1 over 12. Is there any question? Yes, student. Yes, Ahad. Is there any question? Rumesa, Ahad, Abdullah, Halima. Is there no question? So now it's my turn to ask the question. Okay, good. So here the question is, on your screen, choose the correct answer. Square root of 144. Well, I have given you 3 options. Okay, I have given you 3 options. What I want from you to just mention the bit number. For example, 1, you have to mention the bit number and the option. If A is correct, so just mention A, 1A. Okay, if the option B is correct, so mention 1B. Okay, in this way, share your answer quickly. So I got the very quick responses I've got. So I got the answer from Abdullah, Aisha, Rumesa, Abdullah, Halima, Ali. Very good. Let's see what is the answer of square root of 144. Which is square root of Ali, square root of 144 is Not 9. The square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 144 is 12. Now what about the next question, bete? So I have got the answer by Aisha Abdullah and Rumesa. Yes, you are right. It is called the radical sign. Question number 3. I want Ahad, I want Vanya to please share your answer for question number 3, bete, please. Very good, students. The answer of question number 3. Abdullah, yes, you are right. Yes, Vanya, absolutely right. The answer, Aisha, yes, you are right. The answer of question number 3 is 9. And question number 4 answer is A. Absolutely correct. So the square root of 9 upon 49 is 3 over 7. Now, find the square root of 3600. Okay? Now, let's solve the question. What is the step number 1? Write it in the chat box. Don't share the direct answer with me. First, share that what is the step number 1. Okay? First, share what is the step number 1. What we have to do in the step number 1. What is the step number 1, students? Step number 1 is pair. Very good. Halima, excellent. First, we have to make the pair. So, we get 2 pairs over here. One is of 36 and one is of 0, 0. So, Rumesa, no, we are not going to take 1 into 1. Yes, Abdullah, right. We have to take 6 into 6. Rumesa, we have to take either the number which multiply by itself to get either 36 or less than 36. Yes, Manya, you are right. 6 into 6 is 36. We cannot take 8 into 8 because it is 64. We cannot take 7 into 7 because it is 49. Clear, Rumesa? Rumesa, now it's clear? So what is the second step? Here on the left hand side, Rumesa, what we have to do on the left hand side, bete? What we have to do on the left hand side? Quickly share your answer. Excellent. Excellent, Aisha. Excellent, Halima. We have to add 6 plus 6. Yes, you are right. We get on the left hand side, 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Now what happened? What we have to do? What we have to do in the second step, bete? We want a number which when multiplied by itself to get 0, 0. So which number? Very good, Halima. We can take here 0. 120 into zeros are 120 zeros are 0, 0. So it will be cancel out. And on the left hand side, Ali, we can add 0 over here. So we know that 0 plus 0 is 0 and we get 120. Yes, absolutely right. The answer is 60. The square root of, yes, Ramesa, yes, Halima, the final answer is, you have to mention the answer in the end properly. The answer is 60. Please don't put it in the square root. Okay, now the next question is 289 over 625. I want you all to copy down the question in your notebook. In the same time, I'm going to show you your today's assignment. Okay? I want all of you to just copy down this question in your notebook. Quickly, everybody. In the same time, I am going to show you your assignment. Okay? Quickly copy down this question. Done, everybody? 289 over 625. Ahad, you have copied the question or not? Have you copied the question? Yes, Ali. Done? 289 over 625. Now let me show you your today's assignment, students, which you have to submit it by tomorrow. Okay? Yes, Ramesa, you have copied the question or not? Okay, now I am going to show you your today's assignment, students. Here, the assignment is on your screen. Assignment number 19, lecture number 24, assignment number 19. You have to do this assignment in your arithmetic, that means maths copy, right? I hope you have maintained your index properly and the parent signatures are also there over here. Maintain the index properly with the date and serial number. Here, please mark the question from exercise 6.1, which is on page number 104. Okay, the question number is 16 and 18. Okay, and exercise 6.2 is on page number 106, question number 2, 4, and 5. Okay, 2, 4, and 5. You have to prepare the topic square root from the chapter 6 square root. You have to learn these tables. There is the marks division assignment. Marks division is given to you. Each question carry 2 marks. Okay. Now here again I have described that these questions you have to attempt in your copy, and here the example questions are there for your help. Bete, please don't attempt the questions which are of examples. Okay, these are the example questions. In this way, you have to write down the question. In your book, the question is only written like that, that find the square root of. So please write down the complete question that by the division method. You have to solve, you have to find the square root of any number by division method in this chapter. Otherwise, I'm not going to give you any. Okay. Clear everybody? We are bound to find the square root here by division method. Clear everybody? Now here, when the two pairs are there, first you have to make the pairs. And here, please mention the signs, negative sign, plus sign over here, and properly solve the question. Very important, the rough column must be there in every copy. Okay, you have to maintain the rough column in each and every question of square root, and then in the end you have to mention the answer like this, that first copy down the question, okay, within the square root, and then the answer must be written like this, that is equals to 72. Now here is one more example question is there. Okay, now here exercise 6.2 example questions for you. Here you can see that there is a common fraction question is there. First you have to solve the numerator and then the numerator. In the same way you have to solve this question in your copy. Okay, in the same way you have to solve the question. You have to draw the rough column on the right hand side, and in the last you have to copy down the question, and then you have to write down the answer in this way. Okay, here the question is of mixed fraction given to you. First of all, you have to convert it in the improper fraction. Then you have to solve the numerator, and then you have to solve the denominator like this. Clear everybody? And then you have to draw the rough column. You have to do this rough column like this, right? And then in the end, you have to mention the question. Then you have to write down the numerator and the denominator, and then if the answer is in improper fraction, you have to convert it in the mixed fraction. Okay, you have to convert it in the mixed fraction. Okay, I hope that today's assignment is clear to you. Is there any question related to today's assignment? Yes, Aisha, Abdullah, is there any question related to today's assignment today? Is there any question? Okay, very good. That's good. When you share your remarks in the chat box, this makes me, your remarks makes me very happy, my dear. Believe me. So now let's start solving this question step by step quickly. Okay. Now I don't want you to write down the final answer. Don't share the final answer with me. Let's start solving this question step by step. Okay. Now, what is the step number one? Step number one. Yes, Ahad. What is the step number one, Aisha? Please be attentive and share your answer in the chat box. What I am asking about you, that first, yes, first we have to make Halima, yes, absolutely right. First we have to make the pair. So there is a pair of 89 and 2. There is a cap on 2 because yes, yes, Ahad. Now, which number is going to be multiplied over here? Which number we have to take? Here 2 is there. Very good, Aisha. We have to take the number 1. When 1 is multiplied with 1, we get 1. So here on the left hand side, 1 plus 1 is 2. And on the right hand side, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 189. So Ahad, what will be the next number? 2 dash is multiplied with what number to get 189? We can take either 3 bete or either we can take 7. We can take either 3 or we can take either 7. So Ahad and Halima and Aisha, they are saying that we can take 7 here. Absolutely correct. We can take here 7 because 27 sevens are 189 and 23 threes are 69. Excellent. So here 189 minus 189 will be cancelled, and on the left hand side, Vanya, we are going to add 7 over here. So, right, we get, Aisha, you are right, we get 34 here in the left hand side. So, the answer of 289 is 17. Now, what about the right hand side? Now, what about here? What about the denominator, my dear? Here 625 is there. So again, we have to make the pair. Step number 1 is pairing. Okay. Now 6 is there. Ahad 6 is there. Abdullah Ashtaya, what we have to do in the first step, bete? After making the pair, what we have to do, bete? No, Ahad, we are not going to take 1 ones are 1. We know that 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. 9 is bigger number. So we can take 2 twos are 4. Abdullah, where are you, bete? Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Aisha, you are right. We can take 2 into 2 is 4. So here we get 45. 5s are 225. So on the left hand side, 45 plus 5, we get 50. And we get the answer 17 over 25. So I hope today's lecture is properly clear to you. Just take care of yourself, my dear students, and Allah Hafiz.